Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that your iPhone AirDrop is not working. So when you just connect, when you're just sharing the photo with you're using the AirDrop, and you cannot connect with the AirDrop, and when you just connect with anyone iPhone, so your photos is not sharing and not connection with any iPhone. So how you can fix that issue? So just simply just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Just go to the settings of your iPhone, and you have to make sure that you just follow all some settings which can resolve that issue. So just go to general section and just going to the settings of the transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset, and you reset all these settings from here. After doing that, just go back and just go up and see the option of a software update, and just update, click on update, and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after updating your iOS, just go back and just go search it of AirDrop, and after find that, just click on that and see it's showing the receiving of. Right now it's showing the receiving of, which I'm gonna not connect with any AirDrop nearby iPhone. So you have must select off contact on everyone for 10 minutes. So just click on that. So if a person which you want to connect if it's on in your contact list, so just click on that. If it's not in your contact list, just click on the everyone for 10 minutes. After that, you just have to just toggle on that on bringing device together, and also turn on use mobile data if out of range. So if you don't have a in range, you just have to just remove the toggle off it. After that, you just restart your iPhone and again on it. After on it, just try to connect, and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.